Reddit is one of the biggest websites for traffic on the internet. I believe it just recently took over Facebook as to how big it actually is. My name is Eric, and this is Wealth Attitude. In today's method, I'm going to show you how you can use Reddit to generate a ton of traffic to an offer on ClickBank, set it all up, automate it, and we're going to use Gmail as the spicy little trick so that you don't have to do anything hands off and literally generate sales while you sleep. All right. And we're getting into it right now. Well, first things first, we're going to have to pick a product, right? And I've already picked a product that I'm going to use to demonstrate for this. But have a look through ClickBank and see what kind of a product that you would like to promote, right? It doesn't matter what I'm going to promote. It matters what you're going to promote. And in this particular one, I think that this would really, really work well for health and fitness. But again, you promote whatever you want. I've tried to use Reddit before in the make money online, internet marketing kind of thing. And it's very difficult. You can't really, they smell an affiliate link a mile away. So I think that you would have a ton better luck doing some sort of fitness thing. I think this lap belly is at $38 per sale, and there's no rebill on there, but the gravity's through the roof on that one. Let's see here. Oh, it looks like I was already here. Keto resources. This is the one that I wanted to do, right? So it doesn't have any rebill. It's a good impulse buy, right? $24. It's not so expensive that somebody wouldn't be like, I want those results right now, right? I will slide my card for $25 right now. So $25 is not like out of the realm of possibility here. We're not talking about a $200 product. There's no rebill on this, so they're not going to get continually charged. So what you're going to want to do, let's see here. Most likely they're going to view it on the mobile, so we'll try to take a looky-loo here and see what the website actually comes up as. So my computer usually runs a little slow, and I apologize. I'm starting to upgrade a lot of, as you can see, I'm starting to upgrade a lot of the equipment here. But this looks pretty good. It looks like a website that I would definitely promote. There's a lot of a nice good picture up here. You got ClickBank trusted and secured at the top. You got some just random facts, figures, numbers, all that cool stuff. 28-day challenge. Great. So this is something that if somebody was coming to this, it looks kind of professional, but it doesn't look over the top salesy, right? So you got the money back guarantee here. All right. So I would think that that's a good product, right? So this is in the keto, and we're going to head over to Reddit, and I've already did some of the upfront research here. So you go on the front page of Reddit, and you just type in the search keto diet. You could probably just get away with keto, honestly, but I did that little bit of extra. Got that keto diet. So as you can see here, there's a pretty big community. There's keto diet because that's the one that directly came up. Keto recipes has 409,000. Keto has 1.4 million. That is a huge, huge number, right? So as you go down here, you got 1,200 is plenty keto. It's got 42 thou, intermittent fasting, which I think has something to do with keto. Okay, why do I keep calling it keto? I have no idea. Keto, but that's got 345. Basically, you got a ton to work with here, right? So you're not going to want, by the way, don't use your personal Reddit account. Start a new Reddit account. You'll have to build up a little bit of karma. Just go to like Cute Kitties subreddit or Love My Pets or whatever, and just repost crap, right? You'll build up some karma real quick so that you're going to be able to post, right? Don't use your own personal account. So we're going to I clicked on this keto right here, and it's going to give you, it's just a basic subreddit. And right now it's got 1.4 million members with 2.3 thousand. So 2,300 are online right now, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to look for we're in the hot section, right? So if you click this, you got hot, new, controversial, top and rising. We're in the hot right now, right? So those are the trending ones that are. So you're going to look for a really big one, like this one right here. I'm wearing an XL shirt at work today. So I'm guessing that this person is used to wearing like bigger size shirts or whatever, and now they're just into an XL. Seems to be like what most of the posts are on this. So you're looking for this number right here. These are how many upvotes. If you're not familiar with Reddit, you're looking for a big number here. So this, it's got the little success story right here, little tagline. So that's what you're looking for. I think I found one or two that was like, yeah, this is almost 2,000. Another success story. And you're going to want to emulate this, right? So basically, emulating is a nice word for stealing or copying, right? So you're going to want to basically steal this template, copy, and you're going to want to create a post of your own, right? But since you're really not doing keto, I mean, it would kind of be like lying, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to model and emulate success yet again. And I did a search in Google here, and I searched for keto success stories 2019, right? So what you're going to look for is, I hate to really say this, but you want extreme before and afters, right? So you want like the real like extra large, and then the petite, tiny, everybody loves and cute as a button kind of thing, right? So this one right here, great example. Rather large woman turns into tiny, right? Same thing here and same thing here, right? So you got male, female. Most of your audience, I guarantee a huge percentage of your audience is going to be women. So, you throw in a guy in there just cuzzies kind of thing. But if you click on, let's say we'll click on here. So it's Women's Health Mag. It's going to have her story, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to open that up, and we're going to take a looky-loo and see what exactly her story was, see if it's something. So basically what we're going to end up doing, this is just an image. Oh, it's just an image. So we're going to have to find where we actually have let's see, the story here. But we're going to actually just, we're going to give credit to this website since we're not telling our own personal story. We're just going to link to this person's story right here in, in our own little Reddit post, right? So here's another imager. Okay, well, we'll just hit. Oh, I know why. So we just need to hit visit the site. I'm an idiot. Sorry. But anyways, we're going to basically this blog post right here under category motivation, and we're going to this one right here. So we're just going to hit Rachel's Keto, and it's great because it's got a bunch of different success stories here that we can use for future ones, right? So we're going to want to use this picture right here, and we're going to want to cut we're going to cut this right here, right? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to create a new post, and we're basically going to emulate and model, steal everything, right? So we're giving credit, so we're good, right? So this is the actual blog post, right? And we need a tagline here. So Rachel's keto weight loss success story. This isn't the greatest, but we could probably use this right here, because that looks like at age 21 I'd already been diagnosed with all this crap right here. So that looks like attention getting, because if anybody has those exact same problems, they're going to want to click on that right there. So, and then we're going to hit like ... whatever. So basically we're going to just give it a, I found this story so inspiring that I just had to share with the subreddit. I'm going to try the program she did. Wish me luck. And then something along the line of, you're going to have like the picture, her picture, or whatever. See if we could just, what if we could just copy image, and hopefully we just copy and paste. Oh no, I think you got to like download the image. Hold on. What if we could just, nah, darn it. Anyways, so you would plug in that image, this image right here of her, and then below that, I just don't feel like downloading the image and then going to find it. And then below that, you would say, oh, if you want the program, Rachel, so hit me up, or no, don't do the hit me up. Email me at. This is where email comes in, right? We'll just do blah 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 at gmail.com, right? And basically, because we've modeled success, we already know that this post has a real high chance of going viral, because we know the types of posts that have went viral, because that's why we checked what got upvoted to begin with, right? So in this particular case, we have a really good chance of something like this going viral, right? We got a really good image, we got a really good success story. So this post is going to get some traffic. The link is to it's not to us, we're not even claiming it, right? It's got a real great success story here, but this is where we're going to generate our sales. This is step one in the process, right? I mean, step one in from going from getting this traffic from Reddit to an actual funnel of sorts, right? So this email account, I would just start out brand new, make up a new Gmail account. I mean, there's no reason to send traffic to your own. So just get yourself a brand new Gmail account, and we're going to have them email us, right? So, and say, I just let them email you. I mean, honestly, you could probably say, email me and say you're from the subreddit or whatever. It just makes it sound more authentic, and that you're not trying to be, Johnny Salesman, right? So if you didn't know this, Gmail has a great thing with the vacation responder, right? And it pretty much works like an auto responder. So they're going to email you, and we're going to turn vacation mode on. And what it's going to do is, as soon as they email you, it's going to send an automated response to them saying whatever you want them to say. So you're going to turn this right here either two ways. There's two ways to do this, right? You can go for the quick money, and you're going to turn this into a sales page. Essentially, you can put images in here. You can put links. You can continue her story and the success, and then, build that relationship real quickly if you want, or you can build the long term, right? And this is the way I would do it. I would send them to a YouTube channel, right? Because you want to build, you want them to get you to know, like, and trust, right? So we're banking off the impulse buy, but if you want the long term success, I would send them to a YouTube channel. Check out my video on how to make money with Google Slides, because I would send them to a Google Slides presentation and just basically go over like, hey, I was, blah, 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 or just, anyways, check out that. It'll show you step by step on how you can basically make a video. And I make a bunch of videos for them, and that's a better way. It gets them to know, like, and trust you. And this particular one, I would just turn this into basically a sales page where you're gonna say, hey, so and so, here is the program that you're looking for. Here's some basic starter information to help better you make a decision, you're basically going to want to hit pain points. You're going to want to and be relatable. So you're going to want to tell, and you want testimonials. If you want, some copywriting kind of stuff, you'll have to check out other stuff on YouTube. But basically, you're going to really just want to hit pain points. You're not going to want to just be like, here's the link, and don't give them any other information other than a link, because they're not going to want to click on it. So basically what you're going to want to do is get them to know, like, and trust you as quickly as possible. Tell a little story, paragraph, short, put some pictures in here that look really, really good. And, your conversion rate ain't going to be the greatest on this anyways, but, you should be able to get a couple sales a week from this, or even, depending on if it goes ultra viral in the subreddit, if you're able to get it up to, 1,000 upvotes kind of thing, then you could potentially see, 2-3 sales a day from this. And the trick here is, if you looked in here, you got a bunch of subreddits that you can do this for, right? And also, you want to take this a step further, is you got a bunch of products on ClickBank that you can sell. Okay, so maybe the one person, right now we're in keto, but you can use this same autoresponder, the same email, and you can hit multiple groups, and you can use that same success story, but tweak it for a different group. So in this particular case, they're on a keto diet, but you can go into a weightlifting thing, because Rachel looks kind of buff, man. She might have actually, she's got some powerful legs here. Maybe she did some weightlifting, maybe she did some kind of lifting for her success. So you can go into, I've seen some body weight fitness, that kind of stuff. So, you got progress pics. That's another good one. So you can link into other different categories, and again, you have different products to promote to them, right? So you have multiple different products, multiple different groups. You should be doing this. Even if you wanted to take it a step further, is you can open multiple Reddit accounts as well, and that can actually help you by upvoting your own stuff. So if you open up, say, 4 or 5 Reddit accounts, then you can start upvoting your own stuff, and people will start to catch the wave, and they'll upvote with you, right? So basically, after everything's said and done, your vacation mode is on. It's going to send them this message that's pretty much just basically a sales page at this point. All you don't have to worry about it. It's done. You don't have to. It's just instant for you. So you don't have to. It's all 100 automated. Why can't I think of the word automated? It's 100% automated. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to make subreddit posts every once in a while. So I would even start a new Reddit once your account either gets too low on karma or whatever. You can start a new account, start multiple accounts, because once they start seeing your name, you can't make the same post over and over again, right? So you can make multiple different accounts with multiple different posting. You can get into completely different niches and just switch out Google accounts. There's a bunch of different ways, but the success here is doing it consistently for a longer period of time. You're not going to try this and do this for 5 minutes and say, oh, it didn't work. No, do it for 3 months, every single day, making 4 or 5 posts in every different Reddit group that you possibly can, and then tell me that you didn't have success, because you're going to learn a lot on the way, what works, what doesn't, and I guarantee you're going to get some kind of success. You're going to get some kind of you're going to generate some kind of sales. It might not be the level that you're expecting. It might not be at the frequency you're expecting, until you hit something. You're going to hit aha moment. It's all going to click. And you're like, I got this, right? So that's all I got for you today. If you like this, give it a like, give it a subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.